welcome back to another video. So now that things are somewhat going back to normal, even though they're really not, I am finally able to get back into dance classes at Fantasy Fitness. So in this video you are going to see me get ready. I'm doing a simple look. I didn't want to do too much because I knew I would be sweating because Tony goes in when it comes to class. But yeah, I just wanted to do a simple look and show you guys what I did while also talking a little bit about the studio. So for this look, I wanted to keep it basic yet cute. So I decided to do a simple cut crease. I'm doing a nude cut crease, so you're going to see me dip into some browns, cut my crease, and then set it with the cream shade that's in the Urban Decay Wild West palette. So as I mentioned before, I am doing a cut crease. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my angled brush and my Louise base and cut my crease. I'm so sorry that the palette was in the way. I didn't realize that while I was doing this. So I'm just going to tell you, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting my crease. Is anyone else better at doing one eye versus the other, or is that just me? Like, I do bomb stuff on my left eye, but my right eye just gives me the blues. I don't know if it's because I'm doing my right eye with my right hand, so it's angled a little awkwardly, but yeah, my right eye don't be coming out the way my left eye be coming out. I'm so glad that you can't really tell because I'm a little bit further from the camera, but yeah, my left eye, that's my girl. I can get down with her, but my right eye, we gotta talk, sis, because you ain't gonna keep playing me like this. So now we're on to lashes, and I'm actually going to show you this new trick right here that I actually saw Beats by Deb do, but my sister actually recommended it. You know how when you see something but you don't think to do it until someone physically tells you to do it? Yeah, that's what happened. So basically I applied glue to both my lid and the lash, and I feel like they're way more secure and they stick better throughout the day. So now on to the face, which is pretty much the same routine as always. So I'm going to talk to you all about Fantasy Fitness. So I started going to Fantasy Fitness in 2019. I went to a pole class with my sister and I have been hooked ever since. This wasn't my first pole class, but it was my first time going to this studio. I liked my previous studio, Divas and Dolls, but it was just mad far. Like, y'all, it would take me over an hour to get there. But anyway, as you all know, I had my birthday party there, and I even had a party last year right before everything shut down, and I'm gonna show y'all a clip right now.
5, 6, 7.
control. Cause misdemeanor says
That's my favorite song right there, if you ain't already know. Lose Control by Missy Elliott, featuring Sierra and Fat Badescu. Don't play that around me because I'm going to lose my mind. But I'm so happy that class is back in session. You know, I don't consider myself, like a real dancer, even though I danced in elementary school and then a little bit in high school. And of course, recreational. But I'm just someone who has rhythm and who loves music and loves to move. It's so nice because her classes make you feel like a grown woman, all sexy and confident and whatnot, which is a plus for me because I don't have a sensual bone in my body. Y'all know how awkward I am. If you can't tell through the videos, I'm sorry that it's been misconstrued, but your girl is awkward, okay? But Tony offers a variety of classes, and I'm so happy that now that the studio is back open, I have the opportunity to take them. Like, Tony's classes are literally a workout. If you're like me and you don't really like working out, but you know you need to, go to a class because I promise you it's going to get you right. She has twerk, fit, and pull, which are my favorites. I'm actually going to insert a clip from this day when I went to twerk fit and it was lit. She has ab blaster, stretch, heels, butts, and guts, and she also offers body treatments. Tony is just a full package. So I'm going to go ahead and put her Instagram up right now so you can check her out. Go to her website, check out her behind the scenes videos, what she offers, and all of that. Can we get into this hair real quick? Because she's finally cooperating sometimes, not all the time when she wants to, but she was cooperating right here. But yes, let's just get into it. Stay tuned for a video where I'm going to show you all how I style my 4C hair. But yeah, thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you go check out Tony on Instagram. Stay tuned for my behind the scenes clip, and I will see you all on the next one.
No auto tune, I had to show them I could bar down ranks up. Like, yeah, yeah, tell me, what they mad for, they mad, it don't add up, yeah, I need crab on that bag.